Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly, you can see, friends, in this video we are forwarding you most trending and classical designs of Croatia shock designs. So we will please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Croatia skirt designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Elegant appearance, beautiful texture patterns, unique handmade designs, personalized styles reflect individual taste. Comfortable, breathable, soft yarns warm suitable for cooler weather. Long-lasting resistance to wear, easy care machines, washable, dryable, suitable for various occasions. Confidence boosters, unique handmade designs. Self-experience reflects personal styles, relaxations, gleaming, smoothing textures, connections, handmade sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade shrug. Natural fibers, hemoglobin, breathable, regulations of body temperature, truth. Improve mood, colorful designs, happy vibes, reduce stress, soft, gleaming texture. Midnight Falls Croatia promote relaxations. Types of Croatia shrug designs: lace shrugs, cable shrugs, formal shrug, greeny square shrugs. Popular Croatia stitches: single crochet, half, double crochet, triple crochet, shield stitch. Young's choices: cotton, wool, prints, cotton, natural fibers, bamboo silk. Season glamade, personal styles, preference, body type, fit, pocket occasions. Some people Croatia shrug designs trend include boho sign styles, crystal inspired design, geometric patterns, formal elegant agreements, washable characters. Handmade designs are free people, urban outfits, and the Madville. Customizations, personalizations, fit designs, cost effective, affordable materials, creative experience, reflects personal style. Reflections, gleaming, smoothing, Croatia process, proud of ownership, handmade creation. Would you like to explore Space's Croatia shrug designs or benefits of your designs? So we must share this video with your family and friends. who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your place for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching the these of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your designs. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers, take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel.